Mike. That's the wrong number.
You are at the hospital. Administration here.
I'm going to the emergency room, sir.
Get out of my
Mum's car.
now.
Where is my
Get my car
destination?
out of my destination now.
I don't know.
How? I don't get it.
I'm asking you where I am.
In my car
I'm asking you where is my destination.
at the hospital.
I'm asking you where is my
Car.
If you will kindly
Chill.
point
I'm
at where I am.
holding a fucking moron out of my car. It said here I was a fucking moron. It's over. Get out of my car. Out of my car now.
How did he do that?
Get out
1760.
of my now car
Why are you at me?
because you won't fucking get out of my car.
But you're
The grubby old name.
I know you.
None. No one.
You are
Get out of my car. One. I'm facing a fucking moron. Get out. No.
You have me?
I will want.
Really?
Yes, and I have the car.
Oh my area.
You're at a hospital where
Where-
you need to be. Get car out of my. Can you get out of my car, please?